And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 123. Let us dive right into the spray tool. I've already talked a little bit about it, but I haven't explained it yet. Looks a little bit confusing, has lots of options. We're gonna do it step by step. Make sure that the first mode right here is active, and this allows you to spray copies. But you have to have an initial selection. So make sure that something is selected. For example, here, a simple rectangle. You can left click only once or left click hold and then move your mouse to create these copies. And in this mode, all of these different rectangles are now new shapes. Same goes obviously for other shapes with other colors. So it also copies the color and not just the shape itself, but in principle also its properties. What happens if you have multiple shapes active with different colors? Once more, make sure to select them both, activate the spray tool. We're in the first mode for copy. If you just left click once, you're gonna get the one shape that's basically seen as the last selected. But if you left click drag, it's alternate between them. So you're gonna have, in this case, the circle, the red circle, and this blue greenish kind of rectangle. As I've said, we're going to do it step by step, so don't worry about the other options for now. I'm going to explain them in the following videos. I hope this one was already helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.